In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a member space in Circle. So step by step, whether you're building a community or launching a new project, creating a dedicated space for members is a fantastic way to keep things organized and engaging. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your home page on Circle.so. This is the central hub for all your spaces, discussions, and updates. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor over to the Space tab. As you hover there, you'll notice a little plus sign appears. Click on that plus sign. This is your gateway to adding new spaces to your community. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see an option that says Create Space. Go ahead and click on it. This option is where the magic begins, as it allows you to start the process of building a brand new space for your members. Next, direct your attention to the section that says Members. It's important to click on this because you're creating a space specifically for member interactions, which will enable features and settings catered to member accessibility and engagement. Once you've clicked on Members, you'll be prompted with a button that says Next. Click that to proceed further into the setup process. These steps ensure everything is configured specifically for a collaborative and interactive member space. Now it's time to give your new space a personal touch. Naming your space is the next crucial step. Think about what will resonate most with your members and clearly represent the purpose and essence of the community you're nurturing. Once you've decided on the perfect name, enter it in the designated field. Following this, you'll need to select a space group. Space groups help you categorize different spaces within your circle. So Hub, which is especially useful if you have multiple initiatives or topics to cover. Choose the most appropriate group for your new space to keep everything well organized. Finally, with all these details in place, you're ready to bring your space to life. Click the button that says Create Space. Your new member space is now up and running, ready to welcome your community for discussions, collaborations, and all sorts of interactions. And there you have it, a fully functional member space on Circle. So, by following these steps, you've created a dedicated area for your members to engage, share, and grow together. Remember, maintaining and moderating the space is just as important to ensure it remains a welcoming and vibrant community. Thanks for following along, and happy creating.